Hey friends. After the post I put up today about Ylang Ylang, I've had quite a few questions, so I thought I would just jump on live and share a little bit more about this amazing floral oil with you. I want to focus on the emotional and the energetic uses of this oil, but it is also helpful physically, physiologically for hair and skin and the health of the same. Anxiety, anything to do with heart or cardiovascular system, balancing hormones, and things like libido and fertility. So this is a beautiful oil for all of those things. But I want to talk about how it's the oil of the inner child. And in a time where we are trusting our intuition less and just thinking and doing all this rational work, we're losing touch with our intuition, our inner knowing, and this is an oil that can help you dive deeper into that area. So from the Essential Emotions textbook, that's where I get that's where I always turn to for information on energetics for the oils. I love it. I'm going to read to you some information there. So Ylang Ylang is a powerful remedy of the heart, and we want to connect back in with our heart, especially during these times where there's a lot of, you know what's going on. It encourages more play and restores a childlike nature and innocence. It helps us to access our intuition more and our heart knowing. So a lot of times now, I'll give you a little tip, when I'm trying to decide on something, when I am faced with something that I can't sort of sort through, I just put my hand over my heart, take some deep breaths, inhale an essential oil, and I listen to my body. And it takes practice, but your body knows, your heart knows, your intuition knows. Ylang Ylang is also a powerful remedy for releasing emotional trauma from the past. It's a fantastic support in any age regression work, energetic work, or other methods of emotional or energetic healing. So if you've got some deep-rooted baggage or things that you're carrying around, this is an oil to work with there. Or if you're a light worker, energy worker, someone who does healing, then maybe you want this one to tap into for your clients. Ylang Ylang also assists individuals in releasing bottled up emotions such as anger and sadness. Feelings that have been buried deep inside are brought to the light through Ylang Ylangl's assistance. This oil allows emotional healing to flow naturally, nurturing the heart through the process. It reminds the individual that joy can be felt and experienced more fully by allowing the heart its full range of emotions. So some things that you can do with this oil, you can just put a drop in your hands and inhale it. You can put it on your inside of your wrists or over your heart center. You can put it on the bottom of your feet or any access point in the body. Inside of elbows is another great place. You can put it on chakras for chakra balancing, the crown, or as well. A nice practice that you can couple with this meditation, or if you've ever heard of heart coherence, that would be an excellent practice. So you can look that up. Even YouTube has videos quickly on how you practice heart coherence. But it's all about tapping into our heart center and our intuition. So beautiful, playful oil, smells amazing. Not only is it a libido booster and an aphrodisiac and great for your hair, skin, and nails and all the rest of it, but this is a powerful oil as a remedy for the heart, emotionally and energetically. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. And I'll be doing some more lives and videos for my IGTV on the emotional and energetic uses of oils, because I think it's time for that on this planet, letting people tap into that more. All right, have a good day, guys.